Okay, I'm looking at 46, another leading coefficient that's negative. And I have to be really careful when I write this down, by the way. And let's see, I'm going to pull out a minus sign, like a -1 if that's the least. But those are all even numbers, so I'm going to say 2. And what do you get there? 18x squared minus 23x, and that's going to be -6 now. Now, granted, that may not have helped me. Before I go on, though, I want to check to make sure I did the correct GCF factorization. I do get -36x squared, I do get plus 46, and I do get the plus 12. Now, someone says I want to use the AC rule. I'm not opposed to it, but I'm starting to think to myself is maybe I could do this without having to do too much writing. Right, so I'm going to try something over here. And, certainly someone says, I wonder what the 18x squared is. And there's a variety of choices over here. But I'm going to try 2x and 9x. And that would definitely give me 18x squared. And then I'm looking at the 6. And this, by choosing 2 and 9, it forces me to choose a 2 and a 3 for the 6. And you may wonder why that is. If I chose the other one, there'd be a GCF in it. And that's not what I'm looking for. So I'm going to put the 3 here and the 2 here. And this could be all wrong, by the way. I'm just saying I'm looking for something that's simple for me. And what do you do over there? Well, 2x times 9x is definitely 18x squared. And 3 times 2 is definitely 6. But I'm kind of struggling with this middle guy now. And I'm not using history. I'm using what's, trial and error. We're just kind of, thinking through it, right? So I'm going to get signs now. And I'm going to say this over here. This could be wrong. And this over here. Let's just check it. 2x times 9x is 18x squared. And minus 3 times 2 is -6. My big struggle, though, is the middle term. Do I get that? Well, I see 4x minus 27x, which is -23x. So this is the correct factorization of the problem. Again, what I recommend do is, if you're on exam, multiply it out, make sure it's correct. If you're studying, though, look at the answer key and make sure you can agree with it. And I do see these factors, by the way. I see all 3 factors written down. Thank you.